patilla, banana, limón. La noche es un sebicón. El DJ comienza a tocar. Mi cuerpo
That
comienza
song
a
is very unique, because mixed with the Spanish mix and Chinese, and people like to see something different and something unique. I used to sing in English more, but the last few years I started recording all the Spanish song mixed with the Chinese. Because I like the rhythm of the Spanish, the Latin music. It's very you hear that song, you wanna dance. But actually, I'm Chinese. That's why people call me China Latina. The song composed is the singer Mary Jo and Julian, and they are very talented. Julian's from Colombia, which is he's singing with me that song. And also Mary Jo is living in Miami, and she's a professional singer, and she composed that song. And the beat is come from Medellin and Dr. Da Vinci. This song is more like pegajosa. It's like in Colombia, everybody's eat the fruit. They call it sebicon, and that's made with the patilla, banana, limon. And usually when there's young people, they go to discotheque and they eat those fruits, and they feel like those fruits make them caliente. And I would like to thank you in here. I would like to thank you, the producer. It's Ordonné Records, because the last remix is from Ordonné Records. Also Hilbert and producer Alex, also he did a video clip. Also Julian, Mary Jo, and all the dancer Andy and Jonathan. I think I'm so grateful. All the talented people help me, around me, and make that song success.
más, más,
Qué rico,
más, más, más,
sabroso.
más, más, más. Yo quiero más, más, más.
I would like to have a new project. I would like to sing one song with the Chinese mixed with the pavimento. That's my next project.